Any time of year is gorgeous on Beech Mountain. It has all the 4 seasons, and one thing special that's about Buckeye right now is we have this opportunity with the Shane Outdoor Park. We're calling it an outpost to try to be a family destination.
Buckeye Recreation Center is the town's public rec facility. It's a wonderful spot right here on Buckeye Lake. We really strive to offer our community outdoor programs, the best in fitness, and just really get anybody engaged in nature. That's really our ultimate goal, is to experience the high country and the fun stuff that we have here in our backyard.
Buckeye Lake is a result of the town needing to expand their water treatment facilities. People fish down here. We have boats that you can secure through the recreation facility.
The park is going to have some new amenities that are new to this town. Tent camping is one of them that we're really excited about. Water play features in the creek. You know, I don't know any other way to really experience nature the best way than getting right in the water and being in the cool mountain temperatures.
The property itself is, to me, exquisite. It has a great creek running through it. I used to bring my kids here all the time to play by the creek. We saw beavers cut down the trees here and came across the creek. And as a matter of fact, the bridge that I'm standing on was a famous bridge because my daughter was proposed to here on this bridge.
Dr. Shane was emphatic when we started talking about how to design the amenities for the outdoor center. He remembered his family and how they played in the creek, the sounds of the nature, also camping out. He wanted other families to enjoy rustic camping, and that's one of the amenities we hope to offer here in the Shane Outdoor Park.
The project's going to be in 3 phases. Stage 1, we're looking at doing a parking lot and also a water feature with a pump house that kids and people are going to be able to play in. Phase number 2, that's really where we're going to start getting into the recreation side. We're going to build our bathroom facility, our campsites, our natural play areas. We're going to be linking it together with the trail system that we're currently working on that's going to be called Buckeye Lake Loop, which is going to actually circle the entire lake and meet up with the Falls Trail and also the Recreation Center.
And the 3rd and final phase will be the amphitheater, outdoor amphitheater for events such as educational series, music series, etc. We have parking up at the Buckeye Rec Center. So we're very excited about this, and this will be probably the most major recreational development since the Rec Center in 2006.
One of our highlights that we showcase at the park will be a low ropes adventure course. It's going to be right here in the tree line. It's going to be a tree house from tree to tree. Kids can access the different houses through ropes and chains. It's going to be really neat using the natural canopy of the forest. Right where we are, if you can imagine, a 10 by 10 platform, a barbecue pit, fires right over to the side of you, and just, once again, access immediately to the creek.
The importance of Shane Park to me is it emphasizes family on Beech Mountain. Beech Mountain people associate with ski season, they associate it with different things. We have hiking, trails. We're trying to create family opportunities to come and bond together.
We want to have a place where a father and son can come and enjoy doing something together.
This park is for everybody in the community. And I would hope that all of those people who see the enjoyment that they can have in bringing their kids and themselves to this park would also support it in any way they can. Our families have great memories here, and I hope that future generations will develop their own memories at this park.